Good morning, friends. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. I came with a wonderful video. Really, it is most attractive, knowledgeable, and one can collect a loads of information from this video. And definitely, that information will come in their life in a positive way. So, if you are watching this video, watch it till end, and also send me the comment what you feel just after watching the video. Really, I am sure it is most informative, and definitely if you are watching, you will be in a state to collect loads of information from this video. Today I want to discuss over the effect of experience, or the best way of learning, or the best way of leading the happy and prosperous life. We get a loads of learning from a loads of different sources like a schools, college, coaching. All these educational institutions are the home of getting learning. A student go there, persons go there and learn something. That learning, with the help of that learning, they lead a good life. But we belong to the different profession, and so we are having the different job. We need a different kinds of learning that will come for us in our different profession. So the learning or the knowledge what we get from the institution may come for us or may also not come for us. It is also true that we oftenly forget the learning what we learn from the institution. That is the theoretical knowledge. Theoretical knowledge is not a permanent knowledge, and it is not come for us at every step of life, because from morning to evening we do a loads of different kinds of job, and a different kinds of job we do not able to use our learning what we get from educational institution. But the work what we do gives us a loads of information. In our efforts we may get failure and we may also get success. In both of the cases, either we get failures or we get success, we get loads of information, loads of knowledge, loads of learning. That is called experience. Really, the experience what we get from the works as a good teachers. Our experiences also enable us to keep us balanced, stable, even in unfavorable circumstances where we are in a state to do the mistake. Our experience help us to get it correct. Our experiences what we get from the working, from the practical life, that experience, that knowledge is permanent, and it always enable us to do the right things. It also make us enable to decide what is good and what is bad. On the other hand, what we should do and what we should not do. These types of things, these types of learning we get from the experience. Our experiences always filter us. They remove the impurities. Experiences what we get from working always filter us, filter our life. It remove the impurities, it remove the pollution what is stored in our life and make our life perfect. It also make us strong, both internally and externally, mentally and physically. So we can say that the best teacher what we do for us, definitely our experiences do the same thing. Experiences, it is not the learning to collect in a day. While we do work, we should be cautious, we should really careful, and we should try to get all the results, all the learning while doing the work. The great personalities in this world invented and discovered a loads of the thing because of their experience. Nowadays, in our practical life, a doctor may be perfect, A lawyer may be perfect, engineer may be perfect because of having the good experience. They get lots of higher degrees from the technical institution or the general institution, but that degrees are make them enable to do the particular work, but that work may be success or may not be success, totally depend on their experience. A farmer, a leader, a businessman, even the students. If you talk about the students, if you are a student and watching this video, definitely keep it in mind. If you practice more and more, if you pay more and more time over solving the problem related to physics, chemistry, math, and even other subject also, you definitely get lots of experience. On the other hand, you learn tricks from the institute, but that tricks should be workable for you, usable for you, if you do the practice of that methods, you do the practice of that clue. So nowadays our experiences work for us at every step of life, and we must not ignore it. Our failureness gives the more information, more experience in respect to success. In getting the success, we do not apply our brain. Where is my leakage point? Where is my fault point? Where is my weakness? We do not think over it, because we know that we get the success and it is the record, it is the credit of us. So in getting the success, we do not do exercise of our mind, but in getting the failures, definitely loads of information, loads of knowledge and loads of experiences available there. We should always try our best to collect all that information, all that experiences really which are available for us. Our practical life now become risky, and it is becoming more risky in every next day, because we are not applying our experience. Experiences always check us, always stop us, works as a barrier, works as a resistance when we begin to do the wrong. It is not necessary that the literate person or the highly qualified person may be experienced. The person who is really having not a higher education or higher degrees may have the good experience. Suppose, for example, I can give you a farmer who get the higher technology for of farming from the agriculture institution, but he is not having the practical knowledge. That very person is having the theoretical knowledge, but that theoretical knowledge will not come to us as well as for them when they begin to do farming. But a farmer who is illiterate, who is not having the higher degree of cultivation, agriculture, but he is having the good experience, definitely he can recognize the soil and type of the seed required for the type of the soil, when it should be grow, when it should be cultivate, how it can be stored, how it can be used, and how it can be make safe. These types of things that very literate farmer are having in profound in their practical life. So experiences nowadays, it is most required today in every walk of life. Only theoretical knowledge is not enough. Experiences, our experiences really works as the best teacher for us. Best teacher, what they do, definitely we are getting the same thing from our experiences. Don't ignore it. Is not need to ignore our experiences. We should use it at every step of life. It is most necessary, it is most needful, it is the required thing nowadays, because everywhere we are passing through the pollution related to atmosphere, pollution related to sound, pollution related to our behavior, pollution related to our feeding habit, lifestyle. Everywhere there is a loads of pollution, and we can save ourselves, we can remain healthy, we can remain balanced, we can remain disease free only if we use our experiences. So experiences can be collected at every stage of life. All the person, either poor or rich, belonging to high profile family or the low profile family, doesn't matter. Each and every person can collect a good amount of experiences by doing any kinds of work or by watching the work done by others. Everywhere from morning to evening we get a loads of chances, we get loads of opportunity to collect a loads of experiences, and there is a need to be careful, there is a need to be cautious. We should spend every moment of life judiciously and careful. We should be cautious, we should be alert, we should be sensible while do anything, and that sensible, that carefulness gives a loads of experiences, and definitely it will come for us at every step of life. Not only at every step of life, but it make us enable to reach our goal easily without having not much more problem, not facing the too much resistance. So it is the most required things. So we can say that the best way of learning of anything or and of any walk of life is our experiences. Experiences is our best teacher. Experiences definitely never cheat us, never misguide us. So we should keep faith on experience, and we should also take interest to collecting the loads of information, loads of experiences, not by doing ourselves but also the watching of other self. This is the good way to lead a happy, prosperous and peaceful life, which are the most required nowadays. I think a lots of information one can collect from this video. If you are watching this video, definitely collect this information which are really needful for you, and send me the comment, and also select the topics, send me the topics on which you want to know more and more, and on that topics more and more discussion has not been done in this video. Definitely I shall try my best to collect and consider all your topics selected by you in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.